that you have to change. Can I just tell them those three things today? There are some things you have to change in order to begin again, PJ. There are some things you just have to do. Can I let them know? You still with me? Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands. Number